Ready to take your racing game to the next level? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best sim racing wheels on Amazon that can completely transform your setup. From precision to durability, I'll show you what makes each wheel a must-have, and I'll be upfront about the pros and cons too. Let's hit the track. Number 1. Overall best pick. Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel. The Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel is a game-changer for anyone serious about sim racing. The real force feedback feels incredibly realistic, letting you feel every turn and bump on the track. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is comfortable and adds a premium touch, while the stainless steel paddle shifters are responsive and sturdy. The pedals are well-built and provide precise control over acceleration and braking. Setup is straightforward, and it works seamlessly with PS5, PS4, PC, and Mac. The only downside is that it can be a bit noisy under heavy force feedback, but overall, it's worth every penny for the immersive experience it delivers. Number 2. My second best pick. Hori Racing Wheel Apex for PlayStation 5. If you're dipping your toes into sim racing on a budget, the Hori Racing Wheel Apex delivers a surprisingly solid experience for its price. Setup is effortless. Just plug in via USB and it works on PS5, PS4, or PC. The wheel itself has a comfortable grip and includes a clamp system for securing it to a desk, which makes it usable out of the box. The 2-pedal set is included and covers basic throttle and brake, giving you more immersion than a controller. The pedal unit also feels very lightweight and plasticky, and lacks the heft or precision of higher-end sets. If you're aiming for realism and competitive sim racing, you may quickly outgrow this. But for casual play or someone on a budget, it's a worthwhile entry-level pick. Number 3. My third best pick. Thrustmaster TMX Racing Wheel. If you're stepping into sim racing on a budget, the TMX is a compelling choice. The force feedback is smoother than many entry models, giving a good sense of road surface and steering precision. The paddle shifters feel solid, and the plug-and-play compatibility makes it great for Xbox Series X/S, One, and PC. On the less positive side, the pedal set is quite basic. Build feels plasticky, and the brake lacks serious resistance, so you may want to upgrade later if you get serious. And while the wheel is good for beginners, the force feedback won't match high-end models. All told, strong value for newcomers, but not the final stop for racers seeking premium performance. Number 4. My fourth best pick. PXN PC Steering Wheel. If you're looking for a budget-friendly entry into racing wheel setups, the PXN V9 bundle brings a lot to the table. It supports multiple platforms: PC, Xbox Series X/S, One, PS4, PS3, Switch, and includes the wheel with 270 degrees per 900 degrees rotation modes, a 3-pedal set, plus a shifter, which is nice value in one package. The wheel sits well as a plug-and-play option for casual racing games, and the adjustable rotation is handy. On the downside, there is no true force feedback motor, meaning the feel of the road and tire grip is minimal, vibration only, not full feedback. The pedal set lacks resistance and precision, and some users report setup quirks or calibration issues. In short, it's a solid starter gear if you're casual and on a budget, but if you aim for serious sim racing, you might want to invest in a stronger wheel later. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick. Subsonic Superdrive Steering Wheel. If you're hunting for a mid-tier racing setup, the GS850X offers solid value. Its 270 degrees wheel rotation and included 3-pedal set, plus a 6-speed gear lever bring more immersion than basic bundles. The dual vibration motors with adjustable intensity add nice tactile feedback, and the wheel's build, 28 centimeters diameter, bimaterial grip, feels comfortable and sporty. On the downside, this unit is not compatible with PC or PS5 according to the manufacturer, so if you game on those platforms, you'll have to look elsewhere. Also, while vibration is present, it isn't full force feedback, so hardcore sim racers might find it limiting. Bottom line, a worthwhile pick for Xbox One/Series X or PS4 gamers looking to step up from a controller. Just check your platform compatibility first. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite sim racing wheels? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.